welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to be doing my nails. Last video I did the nails on my fingers, but this time we're just going to use our little nail mounts. This should be quicker and easier, and I can take my time and sit here and do my nails and watch TV at the same time. I have a new nail lamp to share with you. It's a 2-in-1 LED UV nail lamp. Grabbed this one from Amazon, okay? I'll have everything linked down below in the description box should you see something here that you like. And because it's the summer months, I'm going with this nail color from NailAddict, and it's called My BFF Loves It. And I thought this was perfect for the summer months. Really, really pretty. I thought I wanted white, but then I saw this. This is like a pastel peachy color, so it's close to white. It's going to be really light, and we're going to use some gems, okay? Bling up a nail or two on the set. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and size up my nails. Now these are just generic press-ons that I pick up from Amazon. These will be linked down below as well. These are the same ones that I use all the time. Well, let me say this. I have another set, a little box set. They're a bit longer and a little bit thicker than these, but these are super thick. The last nail set I wore those for a little over 2 weeks. I didn't have any bending or breaking with these nails. Though they're thinner, they are sturdy, but there are some that are even sturdier than these guys. But yeah, I'll try to link both of those down below, okay? Especially if you like longer length nails, you'll love those. They are longer than these, but these are medium, a nice length to work with. So I like to wear these, you know, because I go to work. I have a real job, okay? YouTube isn't my only jobby job. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh yeah, and my gems, these are from Amazon as well. And so is my little gem glue. So you'll see me use all this stuff in the video. Let's go ahead and get started. This UV lamp is really, really nice. I love its sleek design. Okay, this is very nice. Yes, this is like salon grade quality. Really, really nice. I love this one. And I love that it has the little settings here on the back. You have 10, 30, 60, and 99 seconds here, okay? Very nice. The design is the first of this type that I have. I like it. Really nice. I'm going to go ahead and set it up right over here to the side, okay? Alright, and here is the plug for it. Alright, standard little pluggy plug. Alright. So now we are ready to rock and roll. I'm going to go ahead and pick out the nails. Alright. I've already showed you the colors. Okay. NailAddict, my favorite gel nail polish brand. I love them. Love them. So I'm going to go through and pick out the nails that I need. That is too big for my thumb. Alright, we got 2 thumbs. So I'm going to take the little pointy tips off the front ends. We don't want that little bump on the front. That just screams press on. So we're going to file that off. Okay. Alright. Now if you want to sharpen it up some, you can. But now we're going to go ahead and buff the tops of the nails so that the gel nail polish actually really sticks to the nail. Whether you're using the clear nails or these natural colors, you always want to buff the nails. just file off that shininess. Alright, now that you've buffed the tops of the nails, you've taken the shine off, this is how they should look. Now we're ready for the color. Just because we buffed and I said that these nails are a bit thinner, I'm going to use some base gel. I normally never use a base gel with my press-ons. I just go right in with the nail color. But base gel, when they're thinner, it just helps them have a stronger life. They're a little thicker, a little stronger to me, in my opinion, when I add base gel. They just last longer. So this step is totally optional. You don't have to. You can go right in with your nail color should you want. And I'm going to do 2 coats of the base gel because I want my nails to last. I like nice, strong nails. So now we're ready to cure these. We're going to do this for 30 seconds. Alright, now that this cured, I'm going to go ahead and do 1 second coat. Alright, so now that the 30 seconds is up, now we're actually ready to go in with our actual color. And again, we're using NailAddict's My BFF Loves It. Now everything in the video will be down below in the description box. Should you be interested in anything displayed in today's video. Ooh, this color is very pretty. Nice and light. Like I said, I didn't know if I wanted to go with white. So I haven't done white nails yet. So this is what that color looks like. Almost white, but it's a light peach. This is just 1 coat of the NailAddict gel. It is so beautiful. So 1 more coat and then we're ready to apply our rhinestones. This is a gel nail builder glue that I pick up from Amazon as well. It's like unbranded, it's generic. I'll have it linked down below as well. So we're going to start with this. It is really thick, ooey and gooey, and it keeps your gemstones in place, girl. They do not move. Okay, and these are the stones that we're using. And I'm just going to freestyle. I don't have anything in mind for my nails. I'm just going to do something. Let's see here. I'm probably going to do the ring finger. Yeah, let's do this nail right here, because that's typically where we wear our blinky bling pieces, right, on our ring finger. So I'm just gonna do that one. I'm gonna start with scooping a little of this out. Toothpicks work really well with this. The end of a little thin brush works good, but look, I'm no nail tech. I'm just a girl who loves doing her own nails at home, and I just make it work. Just putting a little down where I'm gonna want the stones. And luckily for me, sometimes the nails come out really nice. And you want to put a generous amount, especially if you're using bigger stones, because we are going to use some nice size rhinestones here. Going in with that size, and then we're going to go around it with some of the smaller ones. But I'll give you a closer look at what I come up with once I'm done with the nails. Alright, so now I have the top coat on and my gems where I want them. Now we're going to go ahead and cure it for 30 seconds. Alright, now that we have our set complete, it's time to apply them. So today I'm just using regular nail glue to apply my press-ons. I've already buffed the tops of my real nails so that they'll stick and stay longer. Alright, so here is the finished product. I really like them. I think they came out really nice, and yeah, feeling the color. So cute. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Is this something that you can see yourself trying? Okay. Is it cute or not? I like it. Really nice. Well, that is it for me. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video, and there'll definitely be another video. Make sure you check out the description box so that you don't miss out on any of the items that you saw in today's video, because they are linked in the description box, okay? I'll see you in the next video. Bye!